Hi, hello, namaskara friends. Welcome to Acad's Pro Spoken Kannada class session 3. This is Siri. Today let us learn few words related to time. Okay? Starting with second, kshana. Second, kshana. We call kshana in Kannada. Minute, nimisha, minute, nimisha. Hour, gante. Hour, gante. Day, dina. Day, dina. Week, vara, week, vara. Month, tingalu. We use tingalu word in Kannada. Year, varsha. Year, varsha. Okay. Let us move to next segment of the time. That is morning. Beligge. Morning, beligge. Afternoon, middle of the day is called as madhyana. In Kannada, madhyana. Evening, Sanjay. Evening, Sanjay. Night, Ratri. Night, Ratri. We have few more words regarding time. Okay. We'll move to next segment, that is yesterday. Ninne. Yesterday, ninne. Today, ivattu. Today, ivattu. Tomorrow, nale. Tomorrow, nale. And we use samaya for time. Samaya for time. Please add these words in your daily conversation. I wish all the best. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.